You just got overwhelmed by those big dogs, didn't you? Huh? You got overwhelmed. I've never seen this cow.
Yeah, I thought I might ought to bring Pepper out here because this is his first association with him. Pepper, you going in the water? Oh.
Zoe!
You better come on back out. Maybe a gator out there.
Yeah. I think he likes it.
You like that water, Pepper? Now, he's a schnauzer. I don't know if they're water dogs or not.
I don't either. Mine's half cocker, half poodle, so I know poodles are water dogs.
Here comes some ducks or coots or something over here.
Starting to play a little.
Oh yeah.